Hi, this is your gourmet guru Saloni. Are you looking at boosting your recipe collection with a great starter? Here's one to begin with, the classic chicken 65. To the chicken, I'm going to add some red chilli powder, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, corn flour and refined flour, little salt and 1 egg. Now we're going to mix this nicely so that the chicken gets well coated with all the spices. Take a lemon and roll it like this on a board. This helps to extract the juice easily. Now squeeze the juice into the chicken. Mix it well. And heat some oil in a wok. Wait for the oil to become nice and hot and we shall start frying the chicken. Now that the oil is hot, we will put one piece at a time. So that they do not stick to each other. I think this is done. Now they are golden brown. We are going to remove them. Now the chicken is ready and we can move to the next step. We have some yogurt here, to which I am going to add some red chilli powder. Mix this well. To this I am going to add some refined flour. This acts as a binding agent and also ensures that the curd does not separate. Take a wok and add some oil to it. Once the oil is hot, we'll add some mustard seeds to it and some cumin seeds, green chilies and lot of curry leaves. Now to this I'm going to add the curd mixture that we made before and blend it well. Blend this well and in goes the chicken that was fried earlier. Toss it up well so that the chicken absorbs the yogurt. Once this is finely dry, we will add some finely chopped coriander. Give it one last toss and it's ready to serve. You can eat this as a snack or even as a starter, whatever you like. I love the dish, and if you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button. For more such yummy recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.